Hi everyone, in this video we're going to have a look at linking sounds. Now in natural speech, words often flow together and sound like one word. For example, a lot of. These three words together in a sentence usually sound like a lot of, a lot of. Maybe you could hear already what happens. Lot and of are linked and the t sound joins with of. And it sounds like this. A lot of, a lot of. Of really becomes tov. So here you have the phonemic transcript. A lot of. I'm just saying it a bit slowly so you can hear it more clearly, but of course in a sentence this would be said a lot faster, a lot of. So here we have a consonant joining with a vowel sound. Here is another example, some ice. Together in a sentence this would sound like some mice. Some mice. Ice becomes mice. Yes, indeed, like the animal. I'd like some mice. Of course, I don't want to have the animal, I want to have some ice in my drink. So where does linking happen? Linking between sounds can happen from consonant to vowel sound, from consonant to consonant sound, and that means the same consonant sound, but also from consonant to near consonant sound when the sound is very similar, and of course from vowel to vowel sound. In this video, we are going to have a look at linking from consonant to vowel sound. So that means a word ends in a consonant sound and the next word starts with a vowel sound. For example, in the phrasal verb, look up. The k in look joins with the particle up. Here what happens? Look up, look up. Up suddenly sounds like cup. Yes, like a cup of tea. Look up. Why don't you look up this word in a dictionary? Look up. The consonant moves to the vowel sound in the second word. And this always happens. It is a natural feature of fast and natural speech. Let's have a look at some more examples. Here are a list of phrasal verbs, and I'm sure you know most of these, and in all of those we have linking from consonant to vowel sound. Let's read over them and let's listen carefully if you can hear how the consonant joins the vowel sound. First one we have wake and up, but said naturally it becomes wake up, wake up. It's very similar to our previous example, look up, wake up. Up becomes cup. Next example, we have eat, out, but together they sound like eat out, eat out. Out becomes tout, eat out, eat out. And I would encourage you to repeat the words and to say them alongside myself. Next one we have hold on. But together they sound like that. Hold on, hold on. On becomes dawn. Hold on, hold on. Very good. I can't hear you, but I'm sure you sound fantastic and you're repeating them all alongside myself. Let's have a look at the next one. Come in becomes come in, come in. In sounds more like min, come in. And last but not least, turn up sounds like turn up, turn up. Up becomes nup, turn up. Very good. Now obviously these were all phrasal verbs, but linking from consonant to vowel sound does not only occur in phrasal verbs, it also occurs between the word boundary of other words. Here are some more examples. Let's have a look. The first one is green apple, and said naturally it becomes green apple, green apple. Apple becomes napple, green apple. I'd like to eat a green apple. Next we have stop it. That's said fast, and I'm sure a lot of moms say this very often to their kids. It becomes stop it, stop it. It sounds like Pitt. Yes, like Brad Pitt's surname, Pitt. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it. You have to add the right intonation here because usually this is a warning, of course. Next we have he's out. Here the verb is contracted to z, and it also joins with the following word and the following vowel sound, ow.